Paul with us has contributed an XPages control called Mobile Value Picker. As the name says, it allows you to pick a value based on data from either a domino view, a notes document, or by using a static list. And the control works either client-side or server-side. Paul has a series of block entries that describe in more detail how this control works. So let me do a quick demo. This is the kind of the home page from where I can launch these 6 different kind of unit tests. So I'm going to start with the client-side versions, and I can now actually I only have to click. So this is the mobile interface, and I can create a new user. And here is where the mobile picker is used. So I can enter something and it filters the values directly to whatever I type here. And then I can pick it. Similarly, when I launch the next one here, the same functionality works for a document. So in this case, the different states are read from the document. I can select one again. And in the last case, I can also use a static list of values. So let's pick the B. The other 3 unit tests here are identical from an end-user point of view, but as the name says, they use server-side JavaScript code. So let's take a quick look in Designer. Here's the mobile picker control, and it has actually a whole lot of different custom properties, so it's highly customizable. Just to point out a couple of properties, this is the one where you define whether the mobile picker should work client or server side. And here's, for example, where you define whether you want to go against a view, document, or static list. So this is a domino view, and you define here, for example, the view name and some other parameters. And then there is another example showing how to use a notes document data source, and here's how to pass in the document ID. And the last example uses here a static list of properties which are defined right here. There is documentation available that describes these and all other custom properties.